Hey, how's it going? Tim, thank you so much for doing another awesome build for me. We have got a custom van build here with an 8 gallon per minute pressure washer. We got this custom welded rack here that holds 3 electric Titan hose reels. This thing is an absolute beast, probably one of the best van builds we've ever seen. A couple cool features, actually this pressure washer exhausts out through the bottom so you don't have fumes in the cabin, and it also draws gasoline from the tank of the van, which I think is so unique. Really going to keep our technicians safe away from these fumes. Just a really cool build. Tim did this on very short notice for us to get another wash van on the road as we need it, so thank you so much, Tim.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Jackson, I appreciate your business. If you guys are wanting to find out more about what Jackson does, he works for Home Service Business Coach. Find out what he does and how he gets vans and builds like this.
Yeah, if you guys want help in marketing, sales, anything along that line, recruiting, check us out, Home Service Business Coach. We got you covered. Thank you, Tim.